Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of the dance is Like Us. It's an easy peasy dance, instructors. Something you can just call out to your new people and keep the class moving. This dance is a four-wall dance that moves clockwise. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the step-by-step instructions. If you want to dance to the music, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, guys, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience. July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. We open registration this year, June 1st, 2025. Please go over to our website for detailed information at www.lmiunola.com. Guys, make sure you do not call the hotel and you do not Google the hotel. Everything is at our website. Please use our website to book your room, and of course you'll register at our website, okay? All right, guys, so here we go. We're gonna stand on this side of the room. So stand here in this direction, stand on this side, looking in this direction. We're gonna start with a grapevine, okay? So always gonna keep in mind, guys, that we have those beginners, okay? So you look at this dance like it's so easy, but the largest growing part of the community is beginners. We always have to make space and make time for them, okay? So instructors, you can easily call this out and you keep the class moving, because we always have, especially now with line band dancing being so popular, you have new people. So how do you navigate new people and also the people that's been coming? And you only have that one class and you gotta teach for everybody. This is how you do it. You don't have to stop and teach this. You can actually just call it out, okay? So we're gonna do a vine to the right, vine to the left. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. Again, vine to the right, vine to the left. Use those taps, guys. Use those taps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, tap. Left, left, right, left, tap, right. So when I tap on the right, my heel is up. So I'm going to jump up on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Go up, right, left, 2, 3, 4. Out and in on the right, out and in on the left. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, find right. 1, 2, 3, tap. 4, 5, 6, 7, tap. 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do a V step on the right with a triple step, V step on the left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And the last step is on the left. Right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step. All right, so let's go back to the top. A vine to the right, a vine to the left, using those taps. Jumping up, 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, in 6, 7, and 8. A V step on the right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let's put it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, and the last step is going to be on your left. From here, you're going to teach them how to do a turn. So you're going to rock up, recover, half turn back, using a triple step. Rock up, recover, right, left, right, rock up, recover, quarter, left, right, left. So how would I cue that for new people? I say rock up, recover, turn to the wall behind you, rock up, recover, turn to the left, the wall to the left, okay? So you would say a half turn or quarter turn to your other people, to your old people. But to the new people, they're not quite aware of what a half turn is. So rock up, turn to the wall behind you, rock up, recover, turn to the wall to the left, left, right, left. And I will say that a couple of times. Once they get used to turning, I will go right up, recover, half turn, rock up, recover, quarter turn, okay? So when I'm cueing, guys, and it's new people that don't know the terminology, I'll say bind. Most people know what a bind is. Right, tap, left, right, left, tap, jump. Jump up, 2, 3, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So I'll say that a couple of times. But then, prior to the second rotation, I'll take that right, left, right, to a B step. I'll give them the terminology, okay? That first rotation, I'll just keep them moving. Just say right, left, right up, left, right, left. When I come back around to this wall again, I'll say B step, okay? Then I rock up, recover, turn to the wall behind you. That second time I say half turn. Rock up, turn back, half turn, rock up, recover. So the first time I would say rock up, turn to the wall behind you with a triple step, rock up, turn to the wall to the left, okay? The second time I come back to this wall, I say rock up, recover, half turn back with a triple step, rock up, recover with a quarter turn to your left, okay? So you kind of slip that terminology in there once you get them moving, okay? Because they know the step, and then you plug it in the terminology, okay? So let's do that again. And then work it from this wall, from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It's 1, 2, half, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. B step, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Rock up, recover, half turn back. Rock up, return, cover, quarter turn left, left, right, left. That's the dance, okay? So I'm gonna do it again because it's a 32 counts. So I'm gonna count how many times that I count 8 counts of 4, okay? And that lets me know if I missed any steps or not. So let's start from here. So this is a 4-wall dance that moves clockwise. So I'm going to do it at every wall clockwise, and the count is 32 counts. So I'm going to count, see if I get 4 8 counts. 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So I got my 4 counts. So I know I have all my steps. It's 32 steps, 32 counts before we start the dance over, okay? That is like us. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Give me a like up, share, and also check out the NOLA Southern Experience. We're going to have a fabulous time. All the information that you need is at our website at www.lmiunola.com. Again, please do not call the hotel. Please do not Google it. Everything is at our website. You just click and it brings you into our room block, okay, and give you all the information. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.